Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how does gravity work in clickbank. Now to check the gravity, firstly what you have to do is just simply pick a product or a niche. So for that just simply click on all over here and pick a category over here, or you can just simply pick a random category over here. So let's say I want something from health and fitness, choose that category. Now over here you will find a filter system as you can see. So click on the filter system and down below you will find the option of gravity. So the meaning of high to low and low to high is when you will choose high to low, you will be shown the most amount of products that are currently being actually sold. And if you go low, it will be the exact opposite, and it will be the lowest amount of products that are currently selling. So this is the basic meaning of gravity, which is a score based on the number of unique affiliate generation scale. So let me give you a better example of what actually gravity does. So if you go to the blog post of ClickBank itself, you will find the entire detail about gravity. So the gravity score in ClickBank is a performance metric used to measure the sales momentum of offer on a ClickBank affiliate marketplace. It collects the data of over 12 weeks of rolling period. So ClickBank's gravity score calculates how many unique affiliates are making commission on a particular offer, and with a higher emphasis on more recent. So basically what it means is the more gravity it will have, it will be more likely to be sold out quickly. But it is not that higher gravity is going to be always better for the product that you're going to choose. So if you read the article right over here, however, a higher gravity doesn't mean that an offer is best choice to promote. Products with higher gravity are likely promoted by affiliates and competition with affiliates who likely have larger ad budgets. So if you target a higher gravity affiliate product, you will face competitors who has a big ad spend amount. So if they have big ad spend amount and you're just simply starting affiliate marketing, you won't be making any sales, as ClickBank says themselves can be difficult and discouraging for affiliates just starting out. So if you have a lot of budget, just simply go for the higher gravity products, and if you're starting out, just simply go for the medium or low range gravity product. In that way you can actually make some good profits. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.